Yeah. Good night, Yanela.
Good night, Josue. Does she head out at 8 o'clock?
No, she don't. She gets up at 6 o'clock.
Does she have breakfast at 7 o'clock?
Yes, she does. She eats breakfast at 7 o'clock.
Does she go to work at 10 o'clock?
No, she don't. She goes to work at 7:30.
Does she have lunch at 2 o'clock?
Eh, yes, she does. She eats lunch at 2 o'clock.
Does she study French on Saturday?
Yes, she does. What time does your best friend get up?
She is head to 6 o'clock.
Does she take shower?
Yes. Does she take a shower at 6:30?
Does she eat breakfast at 7 o'clock?
Yes, she does. She had breakfast at 7 o'clock.
Does she drink and coffee?
She doesn't drink coffee.
Does she is at nurse?
Yes, she does. She's a nurse and works in the hospital.
Goodbye, Janela.
Goodbye, Josue.